So I had a pretty good corporate background. I became a loan originator in 2002. So I was on a quest now for the next, it turned out, 5 years to figure out how I could go buy the mortgages. The evolution, that journey to today, being a billion-dollar company, I didn't see that coming, but I'm very proud of where we came from, our humble beginnings to today. A lot of challenges when you're starting a business, especially in financial services, but I would think that the regulatory environment was probably the biggest challenge we faced. When we started in '07, there was no requirements for collecting your own debt, and we have done that very, very successfully. We figured out a better way to build the mousetrap was, let's not do the collecting ourselves, let us raise the capital, and we will find a third-party operator to joint venture with. And we did that successfully. That was called the pivot internally, whereby now we raise the capital and the joint venture is collective where they do the operating, and it is a terrific business model and one of the best decisions we have made to date. It is a quite rigorous process if we're going to place our capital into the marketplace that we look under the hood closely at the operators. Not easy to create a partnership with PPR. And it's for our investors' protection. Three things that come to mind are diversification in our assets. We were primarily an NPL shop. Today we do value-add multifamily, we do build-to-rent, we do affordable ground-up. So we've got diversification of asset classes, including car wash. The second thing that sets us apart is the best-in-class operators that we select. The third thing is it's an internal document. It's our investment thesis. That is our guiding doctrine for how we invest and where we invest. What excites me most about where PPR is headed next is the vision that Steve Meyer has brought to PPR, the team that he has assembled, the strategy that's been crafted, and the execution that's taken place. It's been second to none. The other side is the idea that we're bringing an alternative investment to our investors, and we're also getting into a lot more education for our investors. And I think that excites me, that they can then be confident in the investment of not only in PPR, but in alts in general. I think that's a great way to add value to our investors who've provided a lot of value to us over the years.